Hello there. Today again we are going to start with 4.3 in Unit 4, that is class diagram. Correct? We are going to see something about class diagram. This is 4.3, and in order to see the class diagram we will also see the basic models, okay, and how we are going to do it. There are 9 diagrams which are available to us. First is class diagram, other one object diagram, then the use case diagram, sequence diagram, collaboration diagram, activity diagrams. All these are available to us. Correct? We will be seeing all those things in detail, step by step process. First of all, UML diagram is divided into 2 parts: structural diagram and behavior diagram. In a structural diagram, that is static, which will not change throughout the course of your software cycle, whereas behavior diagram is dynamic. It changes based on your input and output. And the way the structural diagrams are divided, there are few, and here also there are few which is given at. Do remember, UML diagram is divided into 2 parts, that is statics and dynamic. The static is called structural diagram and the dynamic is called behavior diagrams. Then we got a class diagram. In that one we will see a few things. A class diagram which is represented by the name, then it's got its attributes, then what's its operation and what is its responsibility. This is something which you can able to go at if you want to define or not. A class diagram is a static structure. As you see, it's a static structure and it shows the relationship between the classes and object. It has got 3 parts and this is optional, okay, and this is optional. It's up to you. The top is that name given to us, attributes which are in the middle, there is operation and method at the bottom. The functions provides are methods which are used by them. What are the purpose of class diagram? To analyze the static view of the application, describe responsibilities based on the component and diagram, forward the reverse engineering. Correct? Now let's move on to this one. I have got a class name. First let's see, I have a class name and its attribute. What do you mean by this one? Plus represent public, star represent private, and hash represent protected operations. And these are the part, very important part, which we have already discussed previously. Public, it's available to all. Private, it's only these functions are available to protected, they can be used within that classes. Packages, they can be used there with the subclasses and superclasses or in the method which is used by that one. And this is called an association rules. What is the association rules? It is 0 to 1, means is this class is going to participate in this or not. And this is relationship, that is 0 to 1, 1 to only 1, 1 or more, 1 to more, 1 to many, 1 to many, or I can write 1 to many, many to many, many to 1, 1 to 1. Correct? These are a relationship which are given there. And this is generalization. A class diagram is, we call it as superclass, and it is all parts of that one. And this is called what you call composite, which is a part of it. Aggregates, we will be seeing all those, but this is very important for us, how it is repeated, what are association rules and everything. Correct? A simple class diagram which is represented here. Customer gave order and order, and this is superclass. This is called generalization. Order may be special order, normal order. Correct? And this is called subclass. This is basic class diagram. The next part, if you go up, we have got another class diagram. We have got a book, that is for library management. Book, and there is only one admin. N number of books, book ID, authors, name and edition. What are the display book details? Update the state. Admin, name, password. Search book, verify the member, issue book or something. These are, and it create N number of transactions. Admin can manage user record. What are the user record? User ID, name, and other things. And user can able to request n number of books. So m into n, 1 into 1. This is class diagram of this one. I hope you got it. Thank you very much.